Good day viewers, welcome back to our channel. On this lecture I'm going to teach you on how to design a YouTube banner. How to design YouTube banner. And before we start this tutorial, I want you to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell for new videos from us. Let's get started. The first thing, you need to register on canva.com. You need to register on canva.com. Already have an account and I've signed in to my dashboard. So the next thing for us to do is click on create a design up here. Click on create a design. Click on it. Create a design. Now remember, our topic is to create YouTube banner. So let's search for YouTube. Just click on YouTube. Here is YouTube banner. Click on YouTube banner. It's going to bring us to this page. Let's wait. YouTube banner. Now you can see here are the templates you can use. The ready-made template you can use. Let's search. Okay, want to make it as a tech. Okay, let's make it as a music. Yes, music, because let's say we are creating a music channel, so we need a music banner. So let's search you can see search YouTube banner template. So let's search for music. Let's search for music. Now you can see the templates, music templates. So we can choose any of those templates. For example, now let's click on this. It's going to add to this page. You can see, so beautiful. The next thing for us to do is we can edit it. For example, I want to change this to get the music. You can see get the music. You can change this to watch now. You can change this to download. You can see, very simple to use. Download. You can change the name, David. My name, David Paul. You can see. You can even change this picture. Double click on it. You can see there is the picture. For example, now let's delete it. You have deleted the picture. You can put another picture there. Let's go to photo and search for music picture. There are different music there. Music picture. You can see there are many music picture. You can select one. For example, now I want to select this. I drag to this page. You can see how the design look like. You can even change this as well. This picture design look very well. Let's bring this up so that this line will be here. So let's bring this up, bring forward. You can see, so beautiful. But remember our text have to be outside. So let's find the means of bringing it forward. Right click and click on bring to forward. Right click this, bring to front. Right click on this as well, bring to forward, bring to forward, bring to forward, this as well, bring to forward front. Now you can see, so beautiful. Remember the music as well, bring to front. Here is it, so beautiful. You can change the color, the black color here. Click on this color to change the color. You can change the color. For example, I want to change the color to white. You can see you can't change to white because the text is on white, so we can choose another color. You can see, so beautiful. You can see, you can choose any of those colors, any of those colors. You can see. So the next thing for you to do is click on share. After clicking on share, click on download. There's the download. After clicking on download, you can download in PNG. You can click on download. Now I want to download on to JPEG format. Click on JPEG and click on download. You can see downloading. Now my job is ready. Here is my job. You can click to view. That is my job. Wow, beautiful, beautiful. That is the end of the tutorial. Hope you learned something great from this lecture. Remember to subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.